Join us and learn how to make your own skinny silver stacking rings in this step-by-step Cognac Jewellery School online course. This start-to-finish beginner's project contains all the information you'll need to get started with ring making and create 3 different silver stacking rings from wire to fully finished jewellery. In this course, you'll learn how to measure and calculate a ring size, how to bend wire and how to create the perfect join, the basics of soldering and how to hand polish your pieces, as well as other techniques that you can use for all your future projects. This course is broken down into 7 easy-to-digest lessons. This 2 to 3 hour project can be completed in one go, but if you need to take a break partway through, the handy progress bar will remember where you are so you can easily pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, the essential guide to rings, and a full tools and materials list to buy anything you might not already have. In addition, you'll also receive access to bonus videos to extra information to technical aspects of this online course. And finally, all online courses grant you direct access to help and support to answer any questions you may have along the way. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your queries to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.